Welcome to Shopify School. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install and set up order tracking system in your Shopify store. So first, when you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, go to apps and search for track order. So once you'll search for the track order, over here you'll see a ton of apps out there. So for me, I have had best experience with Trap 123 order tracking. What I'll do is that I'll drop in a link in the description so that you can directly go and click on it and you will be taken to this page. Once you're over here, simply hit install. And now you'll need to click install again over here. And then this order tracking app has been installed. Now let's go and start its setup. So first, you can delight your customer with best tracking experience. So simply say yes, start my journey. Okay, now if you have your own products, so what you need to do is that you need to hit next, or if you are drop shipping, you will need to select I am a drop shipper. This is why, because when you will enable drop shipping mode, it will automatically put in almost all of the couriers out there which are used by drop shipping companies. Or if you want to put in the information manually of the order tracking, you can do that as well. So what I'll do is that I'll click I am a drop shipper because we added products from CJ Dropshipping and that's a dropshipping platform. So for now, it will sync all the orders which we might have had into our account as well. Now over here, you can select the page style if you want it to be sharp or if you want it to be slightly rounded or rounded. So basically, I'll simply do slightly rounded. I don't like it either sharp or fully rounded. Now over here, we'll get a URL. What you need to do is that simply copy this URL and then hit done first here. Now this is our tracking page, the URL which we have got. Not now what you can do is that you can simply click on add to menu and then you can select the menu over here in which you want to add it. So for example, you want to add to both footer menu and the main menu as well. So track your order. I'll just make the Y caps and O caps as well and then hit save. Uh, Simply cut it off. No need to review it. Now, the order tracking system should have been installed on our Shopify store. Okay, let's just refresh it a bit so that, okay, since it's not showing, let's just go and manually verify it. Go to content, then click on menus. Okay, then hit on main menu. Okay, that particular thing of automatically adding it to the menu didn't work. So what you need to do is that simply click on content, go to menus, then click main menu and then add menu item and simply paste the URL over here which we copied. And in the label, just put track your order. Now I'll make the second from the last. And the menu has been updated. Let's go on our website and just refresh it. So in our first video, we learned how to create this particular store. If you haven't watched this particular video, you can simply go into the course and watch it. And now when you click on track your order, you will see this order tracking system is fully branded on our own store itself. It's not taking you to a third party website to track the order. Now on someone ordered something from you can directly enter the order number and email and phone number to track the order, or they will be getting a tracking number when the order will be shipped. They can simply put in that over here and then can track the order, and that's it. This is as easy as this. So basically this was how you can install and set up tracking system for your own website. Now let's go a bit deeper into this and I'll show you how you can customize this particular page. So when you will go into track 123, you simply need to hit customize over here and then you will need to hit customize again. And over here you will get two set of options, like you can select traditional theme or modern theme. So if you like this one, you can simply hit modern and can select it, or if you like the traditional theme, you can do traditional. So basically I'll be going with the traditional theme myself. In the traditional you do get two options. uh, Either you can make it tab version or you can make it tile version. In the tile version there will not be any option of adding background image, but in the tabs version there will be option to include the image, which you can definitely change from here. Simply you can hit change and for example say you can upload your own image, or simply for example say I select this city one and just hit save. So the settings have been saved. Let's go over here and just refresh it. Awesome. Now you will see the image is changed and now it's image of a city over here. So you can simply just change it that way if you wish to. And now, for example, you say you don't want any image, you can simply do tile version and then hit save. So once you'll do this, you can just come in over here and can see now the option for the image is gone. And now you'll simply see both the options over here of entering either a tracking number or order number and email. And one more thing, let's go to the modern one and I'll show you this one as well, how this looks. So now see, this is how the modern page looks. So you can simply just enter your order number, email and tracking number. So whichever works, I mean, whichever you like the best. I don't like this one because to uh, go back to the store, you simply get just a single button and this looks like I've entered a different website to track my order. So just for the convenience of my visitors, I don't choose this. And let's go back and simply hit traditional and save. Also one more thing, if you want to change the URL, for example, when you'll go and track your order, it says app/track123. Now, for example, you want to make it 5 level and you want to remove track123 so that no one knows which tracking app you're using. So simply you can do it track. And for example, for even for SEO point of view, it could be good. So what I did add is that I just made it track. So just make sure when you change the URL, you'll need to again go to the menu and update the URL which you have added. So just get back over here and then simply paste the new address and hit save. So this was pretty much tutorial on how to set up your order tracking system in the website. So let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Till then, I come up with a new module. Bye bye and have an amazing time ahead.